We've gathered a selection of model railway YouTubers for a competition at TMC.
A big hello to you, I'm Jenny Kirk.
Welcome back to Buggles Station.
Hello and welcome back to LMM.
Hey all, welcome back to our North Railways.
Chris here at PGTT 120.
And today we're all here in Gothland taking part in a model railway challenge.
We haven't scripted this, have we? No, we haven't.
Okay. This is what happens when you get a load of idiots who like trains in the same place.
But first we need to take them somewhere, and they've got no idea what's in store.
This is a class known as a delta. I know trains.
Foolishly, they've let me sit in the driving seat, so we're in for a rough ride.
If we lose, it's because of that.
That's not the reason.
You have precisely 24 hours to construct a diorama based on the inspiring North Yorkshire Moors landscape.
So it's going to be a speedway, not doing any railways. And we're going to use some scale-up tricks.
There's a lot of techniques that I've used in builds previously that I'm going to deploy.
Welcome to the TMC YouTube Challenge.